Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a child profile from your Amazon account. Whether you are updating your profile or just cleaning up your account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto the account option. Here in the account interface, you have to scroll down and search for Manage Household. Tap on it. As you can see in the screen, there are various options. You have to tap on Manage Their Household Members. Scroll down to the bottom where you can see Children section. In Children section, you have created the profile for your child. Just tap onto the profile which you want to delete. Once you are inside the profile, you can see the option of Remove Child. You have to just tap on it and you can see the message pop up to remove child profile. Tap on it. And there you go, you have successfully deleted the child profile from your Amazon account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.